Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to show you my version of this famous trending Dalgona coffee. I see this all over social media, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, especially in YouTube. So, if you want to learn how I make my own version of Dalgona coffee, keep on watching. Now the ingredients are very simple. You're going to need an instant coffee. I'm using this single pouch instant coffee. This is a medium blend. You could use any brand. This happens to be on sale, so I grab it. And also some sugar and some hot water, and that's it. The technique of this is the whisking. Basically, if you have the power or if you have strength to whisk the coffee mixture, then you'll get that Dalgona texture. And also the coffee has that elements that will help you create that foamy texture like everybody's bragging about in all social media. So that was 1 tablespoon of coffee, 3 tablespoons of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You could adjust the sugar to your liking. Now I'm going to let my KitchenAid do the hard work for me. But you're welcome to use a fork or a whisk to whip this and to give you that foamy texture, but that will take a lot of time and power. So I'm using my KitchenAid because why not, right? So this was whisking for about, I whipped this for about a minute, and then I got into this texture right here, which I like already. And so I just try it try to check it if this is the texture I want to be. This is actually perfect right here, but I want more intense texture since the coffee has that elements again to give you that foamy texture. So I went ahead and whip it again for another minute. And after a minute, I have my perfect stiff thick texture. This is more like a frothy, foamy texture, that intense Dalgona look. That's what we're looking for. And using a serving glass, I'm just going to add a cup of ice cubes, and your choice of milk. I'm using coconut milk because that's my favorite. You could use any milk. This will go with any milk you're gonna use. About 3/4 cup full. And now top it with the creamy coffee mixture. You can be creative here. You could use any tool. You could use an ice cream scooper, or you could use a cake piping tool to create that very intense, really looking good Dalgona coffee. Like every social media, I see this everywhere, and man, they look so amazing. But this is the best I could do. I'm just showing you that this is easy to make. And just sprinkle this with coffee grounds. And this is done. Look how intense that color, and actually this tastes good. Let's see. Okay, let's see. You gotta mix it, babe.
Oh, like the cream and stuff?
Just mix it with the milk. There you go. That's good. You like it? The bird is so noisy.
Mine.
It's yours?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, you give it a thumbs up. Good job.
I think this is the first time I drink coffee.
This first time, this will be your last time drinking coffee. Let me get a little sip.
I don't really mix it well, but...
Oh, this is good. Very, very good. Gotta mix it really, really good. There you go. How's the coffee? Is it strong? It is? How's it?
Good.
Good? You like it?
Yep.
Thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again next time. Please subscribe to our channel. Again, I appreciate your support. Until next time, ciao!